The era of vlogging as we know it just hit a dead end. For the last 2 years, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has been the undisputed king of the creator world. It was the perfect camera, until now. As we move through February 2026, the tech world is reeling from a series of massive leaks that prove DJI isn't just updating a camera. They are building a device that might make your mirrorless setup obsolete. Welcome to the Pocket 4 revolution, the most controversial and powerful handheld camera ever conceived. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're a creator, a traveler, or someone who just wants the best video quality that can fit in your jeans pocket, you need to listen very closely to the next 30 minutes. Because right now, sitting in a warehouse in Shenzhen, is a device that introduces a Pro variant for the first time in history. We're talking about a dual camera system, 6K resolution, and an AI tracking system so advanced it makes the current ActiveTrack look like a toy. But there's a catch. A massive one. A leaked FCC filing and a ghost listing on Amazon Germany have revealed a split strategy that is dividing the community. Is DJI forcing us to pay a Pro tax just to get the features we were promised? Stick with me, because I have decoded the leaked schematics, the retail box photos, and the internal memos from DJI's Project Pismo to give you the full picture. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why the Pocket 4 is taller, why the frame tap accessory is a game changer, and the terrifying truth about why this might be the last DJI camera sold in the US for a long time. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. For months, everyone thought DJI would stick with the same 1-inch sensor from the Pocket 3. They were wrong. The February 2026 leaks confirmed that the Osmo Pocket 4 is launching with a dual-tier hardware strategy. The standard model features an enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor with 50 megapixels, a massive jump in detail. But the real story is the Pocket 4 Pro. The Pro model is rumored to feature dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. This is the first time we are seeing a main plus telephoto setup in a gimbal camera. Imagine being able to switch from a wide-angle vlogging shot to a 4x optical zoom cinematic close-up with a single tap on the screen. No digital crop. No loss in quality. Just pure, Hasselblad-tuned optical perfection. If the leaks of the Pro chassis are real, DJI has essentially shrunk a Mavic 3 Pro camera and put it on a stick. But how do you power a dual camera system in a body this small? That brings us to the design leak. If you look at the side-by-side comparison shots that leaked on Reddit last week, the Pocket 4 is noticeably taller and narrower than the Pocket 3. This isn't just for ergonomics. Inside that taller frame is a 1,545 mAh battery. We are looking at a 20% increase in endurance. In our world, that means over 200 minutes of continuous shooting. You could record a 2-hour hike and still have enough juice to edit your clips on the ride home. But wait, let's talk about the buttons. The Pocket 3 was minimalist, maybe too minimalist. The February 2026 prototypes show a C button and a dedicated zoom rocker right under the rotating screen. This is huge. It means DJI is moving away from purely touchscreen controls. Why? Because professional creators complained about trying to zoom in the middle of a shoot while wearing gloves or in the rain.